Okay, here's a walk around of the products on our 1979 Electric Glide concept bike. This is the second of 3 at E-Glide Goodies, and that we've used to develop products and showcase products. We've got a replaced windshield on this bike. We've got a first generation windshield vent that we developed. It's got a new front wheel rim, chrome, with stainless steel spokes. We've got a set of axle nut covers. We've got fork mounted wind deflectors. A set of ABS lowers on the bike. It's got a frame mounted lock for the steering. This engine's got a solid state ignition. The front brake lever rubber has been replaced. It's got highway pegs on the engine guards. The fairing has a stereo system mounted with a controller on the left side, speakers, antenna, stereo AM, FM. We've got a windshield pouch. The dash speedometer has been replaced with a front wheel pickup. That's because we've got a new 5-speed transmission in this bike. The dash also has the neutral, high beam, oil, and blinker lenses replaced. We've got a chrome transmission cover with knobs. Upgrade set of chrome mufflers. This bike also has a tour pack. The 1979 Electric Glide did not come with a tour pack from the factory. It's got a nice liner, a 12-volt power outlet, and we've got our first generation TB1 Ultra Brace installed. In the back we've got an LED light spoiler as a running light for safety. We've got a license plate frame mount and helmet lock in the back. We've got the oil tank chrome cover, complements the right side cover on the left. It's got an auxiliary exhaust cover there. Again, the transmission's been upgraded to a 5-speed for better shifting. It's also got a sprocket, new sprocket on the transmission, and also the chain for better highway gearing. Up here on the handlebar we've got a one of our nicer gadget mounts. We've also got a Balance Master on the primary to keep the vibrations down inside the bike. And up front we've got a nice chrome cover on the front disc brake. And we've used this bike to showcase some of our classic and vintage parts for the older bikes in the shovelhead era. And you can find all these products at eglidegoodies.com. Ride safe.